your host for tonight, DJ Kokoy.
Hello, DAVAO! Welcome once again to LaserPro DAVAO, the professional body and skincare center. Hi! Hello! Napaka-festive naman ang ating gabi ngayon. Siyempre kapamilya, annyeonghaseyo! Kumusta na mo? Oma, opa! Okay na mo? Okay kayo! Once again, I am DJ Kokoy Martin of MOR 101.1 and the DXAB Radio Patrol 1296, and I am your host for tonight. Ayan naman, the mood is truly festive as we also celebrate the araw ng DAVAO despite of the COVID phenomenon. We DAVAOenos will surely continue, definitely continue to celebrate no matter what, di ba mga kapamilya? Which is, masultigan nato that DAVAO Life is here! Palakpak naman kayo! LaserPro DAVAO! O, diba? Ang saya. And first of all, I would like to thank everyone for coming and spending your time with us to celebrate this special occasion for LaserPro. Napakasarap makasama lahat ng ating po mga kapamilya, kapuso, kamorkada, kabarkada, at mga kapatid mula po sa iba't ibang world natin dito sa Davao City, no? And today we are officially open. Ayan. At dahil kasama sana natin ngayon ang ating mayor, but of course, every time masabi ko talagang nakalisok talaga si Sarah nang magpunta dito, kaya ako lang muna ang mag-ato. Everyone, this is not a seminar, this is an opening. Anong seryoso man kayo mo? By the way mga pamilya, just kidding aside, medyo seryoso po talaga no, ang ating mga pamilya dito, lalong-lalo ng ating magagandang ladies din, makadakabulo, no? Asumanta mag-ano, ayun po mga pamilya, everyone here tonight will definitely have an opportunity to avail of great discounts and promos, and you'll have a chance to meet and greet friendly estheticians to assist you with LaserPro DAVAO services. For this evening, LaserPro Aesthetics and Body Contouring Center expresses its gratitude towards all our partners, suppliers, and friends. This is our big day. We would like to recognize the presence of our guest. And so please stand, be recognized, all our distinguished guests. So kasama din natin ngayon syempre, a couple of weeks ago, pinag-uusapan lang ito with the owner and the CEO, no, na in a meeting. And then all of a sudden, wow, I am so amazed. Napakabilis ng mga pangyayari. Ako nga pala ang kanilang, joke lang, hilas. We would endorser, kasi madaot ang LaserPro, pero okay lang mga pamilya. No? So we would like to acknowledge Mr. Benji Madis, palakpakan po natin. And Dr. Grace Kirapas Madis, our owner and CEO. Thank you so much. Nandito sila. Kasama din natin the Managing Director, Ms. Ruby Chavez. Big round of applause, please. And we have also here tonight the Diwa ng Davao, Jeriza Uy. Wow. And Ginoong Davao 2019 second runner-up, Abraham Yaya. Palakpakan po natin. And stage and film actor, Mia Gutierrez. A big hand, please. And also the mother of our owner and CEO, Dr. Grace Madis. We have here tonight Mrs. Helen Kirapas. Palakpakan po natin. Hi! Ayun. And also, our media partners, kasama din natin tonight sa ating opening, the Double Blogger Society. Palakpakan natin, Double Blogger Society. And Mr. Ian Ray Garcia of the Mindanao Times. I heard. And the list of corporate partners, we have here Dr. Basilio Orlando. Palakpakan po natin. Dr. Castillo Myra Eugene. Big hand, please. And Jerry Gascon. Palakpakan din po natin. Thank you so much for your presence and support. Let's all give them a big round of applause.